If I was you, I wouldn't get up. You don't wanna jump. You don't wanna see it through your palm. I wish you would jump. You don't wanna see it through your palm. You ain't that drunk. I wouldn't get up. You don't wanna see it through your palm. Now that the bankroll done piled up, niggas won't clown us. Did me and Cuckoo Cow give me walking something to be proud of? Tennis shoes or the dress shoes, barbecue or mildew. Hotter than a pussy on the project prostitute. We don't pay no cover charges. I'ma get us in the club. Heard they got some naked bitches liquor and plenty drugs. Crowd wanna hear from me. Tell them where I come from. Long as I don't have the up thing and dump on one of them young boys. Till the brother shake it hard. For the rude boy done got him. I'm in here raise a shot with a hat like my father. Whoever start that fat mouth and jaws gon' get broke. Big nuts before this rap album, my balls been on the floor. I had so many keys, niggas round here wore snowsuits, talking all that shit about who smoking and who dope tootin'.